Hi, Fred here for another Tuesday Tent Talk. You know, traveling around, and I just came back actually from Mattress Spring Training, which was a great turnout. Thanks to Peak and everybody there for opening up their shop. But as I travel around the country, I'm always getting a lot of people that ask me what to do for repairs, or do we do repairs? So that's a two-part question. Yes, we do repairs, primarily on most of the stuff that we manufacture ourselves. Other manufacturers, we've sort of phased out of that. But the second part of that question is, you know, what can we do internally for repairs? I'm going to talk to you today about single needle sewing machines that I think are general purpose for Velcro, sewing in D-rings, putting a frame tent buckle back in, maybe a ratchet that needs to be cleaned up. So I want to talk to you about a couple of my favorite machines. One is the Juki LU563, okay? They've stopped making it. I really wanted to offer that machine again to you guys that want to buy a machine or can get a machine. If you can find one, great machine. Again, LU563. Please make sure if you do get a machine for repairs, they do make this machine without a reverse. You absolutely, with repairs, want to have a forward and reverse. So to replace that, we've come up with the Seiko LSWN single needle. So the majority of these machines are made in Japan or China. I actually personally like the machines that are made in Japan. They tend to hold up a little bit better. I've got a couple of pictures of these LU563s. You can see they've probably been around 15 to 20 years in our shop. We've just bought them for year after year after year. We really like them. It's got a decent sized needle, the 138 thread. If you can find it, LU563. If not, the Seiko LSWN, and there is a dash code after it if you can find it with an 8BL3. So LSWN 8BL-3. Another great single needle machine. Has a large bobbin, so those of you that don't know, a lock stitch will always use a bobbin, generally on the bottom side of it. This is probably the size of a quarter. A small bobbin is probably the size of a dime. What we came up with here at Fred's to help with people keep asking us, you know, we want to bring a sewing machine in. What's a good sewing machine to buy or to have? We have come up and we've worked a deal out with our supplier that makes this machine, the Seiko machine. This machine is going to run probably somewhere around $2,700. 110 motor. It's got a clutch motor. They do make it with a servo motor. I don't recommend the servo motor by doing tents because the gear ratio just isn't strong enough. I like the clutch motor in that. So if you are interested, surprise, we are going to do a sewing class. So what we're offering is, if you would like to buy one of these machines, approximately $2,700. Things are going up every day. Please reach out to your sales rep and we will get one of those machines. We're going to shoot for May 27th, 2022. We'll have everybody come in. I'm going to talk about fabric. I'm going to talk about how to sew. You're going to actually be trained on the machine by myself or one of our lead sewers, and you're going to finish and sew off a product. It's going to be a bag, and we'll give you a certification that you've been certified to sew on the sewing machine. We'd like 1 or 2 people per company. If you'd like more, please reach out and let us know. We will provide a lunch and the machine. Now, if you have a machine already, maybe that person that used to sew in your shop has moved on, and you have a couple new people that you think might be great for the sewing machine spot, you can pay to come into that class, pay for the lunching, and I will teach them. We can use one of our machines and get them retrained so they can get up to speed to do simple Velcro, maybe a D-ring, a buckle, and a simple bag. Look forward to doing this. We're excited about doing this. So again, you can buy a machine from us. We'll buy it from our supplier. We'll get it set up with our thread, our needle size, our bobbins. You'll be leaving with a machine that's set up and ready to sew for around $2,700. and you'll have 2 people hopefully trained and able to sew a bag. We'll go through how to feed the machine, how to thread it, some basic stuff. So it's a full half-day course with a luncheon and some product knowledge. We're shooting for May 25th this year. If you have any questions about it, please give us a call here at the shop or reach out to your salesperson, and we'd love to teach you how to do your own repairs. For another Fred at Tuesday Tent Talks, we'll see you next Tuesday, or come see us on May 25th, and you'll be able to learn how to sew your own tent or tent bag or ratchet.